I am so thrilled to say that the market is finally doing better after so many months of explaining the downturn that we've experienced. We have finally seen a change. Spring is absolutely the best time of the year to get your home sold or to purchase a home. That's when inventory starts to rise and more buyers start shopping. So with that, we've got some market conditions improving. Now, interest rates have been hovering in the mid-sixes, and just last week there was some economic data presented that shot the interest rates back up a little bit higher, and we're seeing the sevens again, the low sevens. Hopefully that is for the short term. But what is different now is that we've got some buyer behavior that is showing motivation. For the last 3 weekends, we've had homes go on the market and get multiple offers right after the first weekend. So this is not the craziness of the pandemic, but it shows there are buyers out there that are ready to make buying decisions. And we are having some great success with that. So I just hope the interest rates do come back down to a more acceptable level to help with affordability. That is the main thing that's been holding people back. And now with the pent-up demand of the last year and a half, some people are realizing they're going to have to buy or sell regardless of the market conditions. I think we've just got some normalization occurring. So we have had a very active month of working with homeowners and home buyers who are motivated to take action. So I will be thrilled to be presenting some more data after we have a month or so of activity like this. If you are curious to learn about the value of your home based on today's market conditions, not based on the data from the last 3 to 6 months, because we have seen this change now, please let me know. We would absolutely be happy to help you understand the current market value of your home and the plausibility of getting it sold for top value. And if you are a buyer searching for that new property, we are pleased to tell you that there are more new listings hitting the market every single day. Inventory is building, and we are scouring the market for the perfect home for our buyers. So let us guide you through the process. We are here for you, and we actually have a great event coming up this Saturday in Murray Hill. There's information in our newsletter about it, so please read below. But this is a dumpster day weekend. So we've got a dumpster at the Murray Hill Hometown Center, which is the center of my neighborhood. And we'll have a dumpster there to collect your junk. It is time for spring cleaning, so get started. Additionally, we are partnering with Mountainside High School Impact, and that is the parent community organization, and they are doing an electronics recycling day at the exact same time. Their drop-off location is at Al's Garden Center on Roy Rogers. Together, we are partnering to help clean up the community and be a resource for the community. So if you have some electronics that you want to have recycled, please know you could dump them with us, Carey Hughes Homes, at the Murray Hill Hometown Center, and we will transfer it over to the Mountainside High School group for a fundraiser for them. We're helping them build some funds for the Impact organization. So you can bring your electronics to us, or you can take electronics to them, and then we will be collecting your junk in a free dumpster. So please register and come see us on Saturday.